Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, I've been cooking, I've been baking, but right now my apron is dirty, of course. Right now we're going to make dinner. Guys, this is Quick and Easy Meals. This is an open collaboration with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and Jean Home Decor and more. So guys, show us what you're cooking. Show us what you're cooking. So here I have, this was a pork shoulder. It's been chopped in little pieces. So it's been marinating for an hour and a half. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the oven. And also my grandson wants rice. So I'm going to make a traditional yellow rice with gandules. So let's get to it. Oh, and by the way, I will link in my description box below the link to all the hosts in the description box, and also I will link the playlist so you guys can go and check it out. All right, guys, let me get situated. Let me get my tray where I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to, Jesus, sorry about all that noise. You guys know I have a small kitchen, so I'm going to line. I usually line for easier cleanup, I line my tray with aluminum foil. I'm going to spray it a little bit with non-stick. Then I'm going to put that in the oven, guys. So let's do that. It cooks faster when you cut it in pieces. I had the guy in the butcher shop in the supermarket to chop it up for me because I have to go through the bones, and they use this special machine. So just put it in the oven, and the oven will do the rest. Now I'm going to get ready to get my pot ready for my rice. Of course, you guys see I don't have no space, so I have to move things around. So I'm going to put you on top of my cake stand so you guys can see inside the pot. All right, that's good. So let me get my pot, let me get all my ingredients, and I'll come right back with you guys. All right, guys. Let me bring you guys up here. In my pot, this time I'm using my frying pan, as long as it's a metal frying pan. So I have a little bit of oil here, not too much. To that, I'm going to add my sofrito. In here right now, if you want to add like any pieces of meat or whatever, you could do that. This is the same way that you will make rice with chicken mixed together, the Spanish style. It's just the difference, it doesn't have any meat. I'm going to be adding my chickpeas. I'm going to leave a little bit in the can because I could always make rice for another occasion. I'm using a little bit more than a half a can because I'm cooking for my husband, for him to eat today and for him to take to lunch tomorrow. And my grandson, he eats a lot. And of course myself. And here I have my spices. I have my garlic powder. I have a teaspoon of adobo. I have a package of seasoning. This is what gives the yellow color to the rice. Just make sure that the box looks like this when you buy it. Like this. Okay. So add your spices there. You already smell delicious, guys. To that, I'm going to add some bay leaf. Oh, in here, I also have dry oregano and Italian seasoning. Okay, so let me get this stuff out of the way. Here I have some cilantro. I'm going to chop it a little bit. This is one of the typical things that you add to the Spanish rice, cilantro. It gives it such a good flavor. You could add it to your beans. We like it a lot, so I'm adding a lot. So it's like if it's dry, it will be a teaspoon. But since it's not dry, I like to use fresh. So I'm adding that to my rice as well. I'm going to add some olives, green olives, and also I like to add a little bit of the juice in there. 2 teaspoons of olives, and here comes my dog. She heard the olive jar. She loves them. Here you go. Paolo, you want one? Here you go. My service though don't like them. I think he doesn't like the bitterness. But Diamond, she's been eating them since she's little. Every time she hears that jar, she comes. All right. So this is what it looks like inside my pot. Let me bring you guys close. That's what it looks like. And to there, I'm going to wash my washed rice. I'm going to stir it a little bit. This is too dry. I'm going to come here and I'm going to add hot water to it. I'm adding about a cup of hot water. And always remember, you can add liquid through the time that you're cooking it, but you cannot take it out. If you don't want your rice to be smooshy, don't add too much rice. That's what it looks like. I'm going to use the same spoon that I use for the olive to taste for seasoning. Oh my God, that's delicious. But I am going to add some fresh pepper. Now I'm going to cover it and let the magic happen. I'm going to bring you guys back. I'm also going to turn the fire down to medium. And then I'm going to bring you guys back. Guys, this is the rice. I could cook with any rice brand, but this is the rice that I prefer. This is the same rice that we usually use in the island of Puerto Rico. It comes like this. This is the medium grain. And also they have the long grain. If you want, you could scan that code bar. I'm going to put it close. You could scan that code bar right there. And here in the back, you see recipes. Okay. And here is the nutrition facts. Yeah, guys, I love this rice. I'm telling you. This 20-pound bag cost me $11. And it lasts me for a long time. It lasts me for at least a month to a month and a half. depending how much rice I cooked. Because I usually don't make a lot of rice, at least my grandson. My grandson loves his rice, I'm telling you. He loves his rice. He says, Mima. He says, Grandma. He calls his other grandma Mima. He said, Grandma, I want Puerto Rican rice. So, that's what I'm making for him. All right, guys. I gotta check my meat pretty soon. One thing that I can't stand when I'm cooking is with anything falls on the stove. That drives me insane. I have to clean. I'm telling you guys, I have to clean as I cook. I can't cook with a messy kitchen. Even if I'm doing a video or I'm not doing a video, I have to clean as I go. So, yeah, guys. Look who's over there. Hayden, say hello. He's playing video games. All right, guys. This rice is already done, I believe so. Also, make sure that when you cook your rice, guys, your rice is cooked all the way through. Because when the rice is not cooked all the way through, that will give you some problems in the future, guys. It has a tiny little bite to it. And just to create steam, you see this little bit of tiny little bit of water. And I did not even add it all. That's it. That will help it. I'm going to leave it like that for another 10 more minutes. It's on very low fire. It's on very low fire now. I just leave it there. And it will cook. Now, guys, let's check the meat, guys. Let's check the meat. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out this top. Since I have a lot of liquid in here, I'm going to take out the top. I'm going to let it cook down. And that's going to brown it. Brown it. And oh yeah, guys. That was really, it smells delicious, guys. Put it right on the center of the oven and just let it cook, guys. Let it cook. Who just got home from work?
Hello, everybody.
Ready for dinner. Yep. So the food is done, guys. The food is done.
It is?
Yes. It's already baked. Everything is done. So now I'm going to plate and I'm going to show you what it looks like, guys. All right, guys, the food is done. My grandson is already sitting down and eating. And here is my plate. I'm gonna tilt you guys down so you guys can see it. Here is my plate. I got some corn, a little bit of rice, and some meat. And of course, I will cut the fat off. But this is how much I eat, guys. This is how much I eat. And my husband is about to sit down and eat as well. So I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.